In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a payment gateway in Odoo using the Odoo online demo environment. This is perfect if you're a beginner, testing things out, or you just want to understand how payment providers work in Odoo before setting them up on a live database. We'll go step by step using the official Odoo demo, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to install and enable a payment provider correctly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Odoo tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Odoo Demo and press Enter. From the search results, look for the option that says Demo Odoo Online. This is the official Odoo demo environment that lets you test features without setting up your own server. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the page loads, you'll be taken into a demo database where you can explore different Odoo apps and settings. After you're inside the Odoo demo, make sure you're logged into the backend interface. From here, we want to access the payment configuration. Navigate to the accounting or settings area, depending on how the demo loads for you. Look for an option called Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo manages all online payment gateways, like Stripe, PayPal, and other providers. Once you click on Payment Providers, you may notice that the feature is not active yet. That's because the Payment Provider module needs to be installed first. Go ahead and click on the Install button. Odoo will now install the required module in the demo environment. This may take a few seconds, so just wait until the installation is complete. After the module is installed, you'll be redirected back to the Payment Provider screen. Here, you'll see a list of available payment gateways supported by Odoo. Select one of the providers from the list. For this demo, we're focusing on the process, so the exact provider doesn't matter. Click on the payment provider you want to use. Inside the provider settings, you'll see an option to enable it. Go ahead and click the Enable button. This action activates the payment gateway within Odoo, allowing it to be used for online payments, on invoices, e-commerce checkouts, or subscriptions, depending on your setup. At this point, the payment provider is enabled in the demo environment. In a real production database, this is where you would also enter your API keys, secret keys, and other credentials provided by your payment gateway. Since this is a demo, those steps are usually skipped or simulated, but the workflow remains exactly the same. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a payment gateway in Odoo using the online demo. This same process applies when you're working on a real Odoo instance, whether it's Odoo Online, Odoo.sh, or a self-hosted installation. If this video helped you understand payment gateways in Odoo, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.